YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're diving right into some more meme coins. Things going absolutely insane, making insane. Guys, it's honestly insane the things that we're doing on this channel. It's like no other, guys. I say it all the time, but you'll see it in today's video, more proof. So as you guys could see, total market cap coming in at 2.95 today. Our fear greed index ticking back a little bit. Bitcoin slipping back in dominance, which is good. That's what we said we wanted, right? We wanted to see Bitcoin slip back in dominance a little bit because what does that mean? It means that our altcoins can start pumping, right? If Bitcoin, as long as Bitcoin continues in this upper momentum, that means that, every time that Bitcoin hopefully finds a little bit of bottom, we're going to see these meme coins just go absolutely nuts, in which is what we're seeing right now. A little bit of consolidation on some of these larger cap coins, but we are seeing a lot of coins just absolutely taking off and hitting some new all-time highs. And again, if Bitcoin doesn't want to break, it's going to be really big for a lot of coins. So one thing that I did talk about on the channel is that on Thursdays, price tends to move, right? And then on Mondays, it tends to be a fake out. Well, as you guys could see on Monday, we had a huge explosion of growth. We shot all the way up to like 93 or something like that. Since then, I was saying we've created a little bit of a rising wedge, and since then we can consolidate it down sideways, right? But I was even saying in my last video just yesterday that that we were seeing yesterday could have been a bull flag, and it could be possibly breaking out right now. That's what this guy's saying, that talking about the strong momentum that Bitcoin's had. We can see that bull flag also playing out here a little bit better on the 1 month, and on the 1 year we could really see it playing out really well, right? This bull flag. So a lot of indicators showing that Bitcoin might be holding strong in this range. That is very positive, and I feel like when people see that, they're gonna hopefully feel positive about the market. And again, this is not financial advice, guys. Don't don't hold any of this as financial advice. It's really not. Price can go either way all the time, right? So don't be over leveraging into things. Man, I can't express enough. Do not over leverage. Don't be an idiot, guys. Don't get wrecked right now. We talk about this fear greed index. Look at this. It's really high, right? Really high, but even our fear greed index creating a bull flag. This is nuts. We're going to see greed like we've never seen before. We've seen it all the way up at 92 in the past, but like, how high is this thing going to go if it wants to go? Or is it going to, again, like see a correction like we've seen back here, a very short top and then, consolidate sideways, broke down, only to rip up to this new all-time high, which lasted this extreme greed lasted a little bit, right? All this extreme greed, even this greed right here, this is all altcoins running too. There's a lot of speculation on both ends, right? Even when it's going down, a lot of speculation. I think when Bitcoin started going down right here, we actually talked about Book of Meme Coin. That coin hit $1 billion. It was the biggest pre-launch ever. But as you guys could see, Bitcoin is in extreme greed right now, and we do know that the top is near, boys, and nobody's talking about it, but Crypto J is talking about it. I don't know if we're like at that range right now. I don't know if we're gonna break up. It does look like we're gonna break up, right? It does look like we're gonna break up. It's Friday. We've seen a little bit of sell off that we needed. I talked about the 86K support that we had, the fact that we were creating the bull flag. Everything's playing out to be a bullish scenario, but things, again, guys, can always break back down. And we are in the extreme greed. We saw what just happened. So I just want you guys to be cognizant of what's going on. But let's talk about some of the I told you so. Let's do a little I told you so for today. So I made a video just yesterday about peanut coin, this baby peanut being like exploding. I was actually caught this thing at around 100,000 market cap. As you guys could see today, it's coming in at close to 18 million. Why didn't you hit subscribe? Why didn't you hit the bell notification? I don't know what's wrong with you. But as you guys could see, 18,000 people holding baby peanut now, and that's because the big peanut was much bigger. It went on to do great things, already close to 2 billion market cap on big peanut. Baby peanut at 16 million, honestly, creating this, what I think looks like a bull flag on the 1 hour chart. I could be wrong, right? We've seen it also creating like somewhat of a possible cup and handle playing out on this 2 hour chart, and it could always break down. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you go out and buy this, right? Could be shoulder, head, shoulder, possibly, and some capitulation. Could be a reject of this range right here. It seems like possibly, but only time will really tell. I think if you look at some of these smaller intervals, we're probably pretty close to. Okay, so on the 30-minute chart, we actually broke down underneath this upper level of Kettner channel. Oh wow, sorry, that was disgusting. Whoops, not gonna stop the video. Anyway, on the 1 hour chart, you could see we're holding support. So it seems like 1 hour chart looking solid. A lot of people probably playing on this chart, I'd assume. This chart again indicating that this might be a bull flag, and this thing might really want to kick up and run up significantly, or it might want to break down. Right? It could also break down significantly too, because again, look where our next level of support is, way down here. So again, this is going to be a volatile trade. It's only 17 million market cap, so you got to keep things like that in mind. This thing could definitely drop at any minute. So I wouldn't over leverage into something like this. I did put a couple dollars in this, like I said, at 100K. I'm glad I did. I was doing that when everybody else was buying peanut. You see how I do that, guys? Everybody's buying Doge, so I buy SHIB. Everybody's buying peanut, so I buy baby peanut. I look at what they do, and then I try to plan around sometimes what they're doing, or try to get okay, we were early on. Well, I was early on a lot of these cat coins because I just noticed I was on Dex Tools a lot. And again, if you're not on Dex Tools, guys, this is the website that I use. Use whatever website you want. I don't care. Use whatever one you want. But I pay attention to these coins that are trending week in and week out. What are the hot pairs, right? And as you guys could see, peanut has been a hot pair, but also a lot baby peanut also now coming in here too. Like, bro, with a 16 million market cap, people are gonna see 1.7 billion. That's kind of my thought process. Again, it could be totally wrong. I could be 1,000% wrong. This could really go down. So I don't want to hear anybody saying like, "Oh, you told me," like crying and nonsense. I don't like that stuff. So I don't want to hear none of that. But also, Fred is another coin too that has been doing really well. Like the squirrel one, I guess the squirrel died or whatever, and it was like a big deal. Well, I guess same thing with the raccoon. I don't know, but Fred seems to be doing really nicely, right? 43,000 holders coming in at 170 million market cap. This thing could also be one that wants to do well, right? A good holder to market cap ratio is definitely something that I look for, and in my opinion, Fred doesn't have a horrible holder count to market cap ratio. And again, if Bitcoin is deciding that it wants to take off, maybe Fred will see a double bottom here and start also taking off. We do see here it did create that head shoulder that we talk about being so bearish, drop down, and now it's retesting some key support on the 4 hour. It looks like. Also, yeah, 1 hour looks like it's getting close to that 1 hour 1 hour support. 30-minute looking like possibly bouncing off. Are we going to see something come out of Fred soon? And if we do, guys, honestly, I would be looking at baby Fred, hopefully to make a move. That's what I'm really paying attention to. But look, it's down 41% today, absolutely tanking today. So it's going to be a volatile trade again. This trade is at 586,000 market cap. So I really don't have a lot of money in this, to be honest with you. I think I put like $10 to $20 into something like this. I don't over leverage into plays like this. It's just absolutely insane. I don't know what this coin's going to do. I really don't. At 580,000, there could be a lot of panic selling. There is 6,000 holders. So I'm hoping that these guys are going to be buying the dip, but it just seems like they're just selling it. So only time will tell. Maybe I'll lose my hat on this play. Again, I'm not telling you guys what to go out and do or giving you guys any kind of financial advice. As a matter of fact, let me just tell you, don't buy anything in this video. That way there's no confusion. I just told you not to buy it. So now you can't say I told you to buy it. But I'm also looking at some of these other coins too. Even look at this Moodang coin. As you guys could see, it's coming in at close to $1 billion now. This is one that's been really running over this cycle, as you guys can see. Can it hold resistance, or can it hold the support and keep going though? Can this be a coin that's going to hit $1 billion? I don't really know, man. I do think a lot of these animal coins are going to have a shot. I would be paying attention to animal coins on Solana right now. If you can't really tell, all these top trending coins are all animals, except for this thing, Lester on Sol. This thing is crazy. It's like the Litecoin mascot. I don't know. It looks so ridiculous. I can't even believe that this hit 100 million market cap. I don't know what the heck's going to happen with that. That's totally weird. I would have never expected that. Again, it just doesn't fit any kind of narrative. Like, what is that? But every once in a while, you'll see that, though. But you can see, like, Georgie right here. Georgie's all the way down at 9 million, has 21,000 holders. Yikes, this thing has really seen a sell off. I'd actually be concerned about what kind of price action is going on with this. Like, why does a top wallet hold 10%? These guys are holding a lot in these top wallets. I'd be concerned over what's going on with this price action, but then at the same time, this coin's not really that old. It was just launched on the 12th. Today is the 15th, and as you guys can see, it's already at 8 million. Some people have already made some really good money on that trade. Not trying to knock your trade. I'm not trying to FUD it up. I would just be kind of cautious. Like, it's down like 50% right now. But again, if you're a big parabolic run up like that, maybe it's understandable, right? Also, this coin, Maya as well, coming in at a 15 million market cap, 36,000 holders. He got a little Santa hat on. Maybe that's a good play. I don't know. We're in November right now, right? Maybe this thing will be doing pretty well in December. You know, maybe people will be looking at some Christmas coins or something. I don't know, bro. I really don't know. But just kind of like some food for thought, I guess. Jamcat. Somebody made a lot of money off my Telegram in this coin. They were early on it. I told them when this thing pumped, I would be, taking some money out because you don't know. You never really know what's going to happen. And I could be wrong. I was telling him, not a crazy time to take some of that profit, but maybe this thing does go on and rip up even higher. I really don't know. Again, 10,000 holders. It's cat meme coin. Maybe it can survive, but this is some manipulated price action right here. And I don't know. I don't know. Only time will tell, guys. I don't know what you guys think about Jamcat. Let me know in the comment section. Definitely want to know. Nuts on Saw. Interesting. 2,000 holders, 500,000 market cap. 1 hour chart looking a little funky, but I don't think that's very telling because this coin just launched. So you guys can see it literally just launched today. Will it have another run? I don't really know. 2,000 holders. 100,000 liquidity, 7-day up. Past 24 hours, 500%. I was seeing some buy orders come in, right? I would definitely be paying attention to who's buying this, though. Seems like people still wanting to play a little bit off of this narrative of this little squirrel coin thing. What do you guys think? You guys think this could be a winner? I really don't know. Again, audits are always automated on DEX tools, so we're not sure on the scam risk of this thing. Let's check the holder count to just see if anything sketchy's going on with the holders. Let's go check it out. Pulling up the contract right now. As you guys can see, 2,000 holders, 25,000 transfers. Hold this. Okay, Radium is the top holder, holding 10%. The second holder is holding like 17,000, which is like 3%. Assuming this would be like the owner probably of the contract, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. 373 transactions. The last transaction was 2 hours ago, so not too concerned about that. Again, I didn't see too many bots from what I saw, so I don't really know. Could be too early to say on a project like this. I really, really don't know. Interesting. This guy looks like he's making coins. Bonding curve. Okay. What does this mean? Transfer bonding curve. And it was funded 7 hours ago. This coin was made today, right? Today. Like 7 hours ago. So interesting. I don't know. What do you guys think on a coin like this? What do you think? I definitely want to know. Let's go look at some other coins, and then I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna cut it. I know you guys are not letting me know if you like the long form content or the short form content, so I'm just gonna try to keep them under 20 minutes if I can. Let me see if I could find anything else on here, and then we'll cut it and we'll make a part 2. How about that? I'll put out another part 2 today, but you gotta hit the bell notification. You gotta be subscribed, guys, because that's the only way that you're going to hear about it. So as you guys can see, also Pepe coin down today a little bit. We're seeing some sell-off on some of these other coins, including Shrub. This is a coin that has been on a tear past couple of days. So it's been trending. It still is trending, top 3. So, will it hold some support here? Time will tell, right? 7,000 holders. This is on the Ethereum blockchain. These coins, I think, tend to see a little less volatility than Solana. I feel like when people could sell for cheap, they just do. It gets the paper hands excited to know that they can sell for cheap. So you never really know what's going to happen in general, but, even on Ethereum too, though. I can't say it's just Solana, but even on Ethereum, sometimes you will see the paper hands coming in. But it's hard to paper hands when you got to pay like $60, $70 paper hands. It makes you kind of like second guess, like, do I really want to be a paper hands? Look at Ducky, man. I don't know if this is going to be a good one. So Ducky coin coming in at 16 million market cap with 3.8K holders. This thing is definitely on a run right now. It is already seen some significant upsides. You guys can see already has went up 81% just today alone. So this thing might need a little bit of time to cool off, especially with where Bitcoin's at. We are breaking down underneath this 2 hour. Oh, sorry. Here we go again with the yawns, right? We are breaking low this 2 hours, so I would expect probably a retest of some of these lower levels, honestly, on a trade like this. Just went a little bit too parabolic, and again, that McDonald's M is a sign of correction when it breaks down like that. So definitely want to be paying attention to that kind of trade if I'm looking at something like that. Nero coin, Mog coin. Again, look, okay, well, I already clicked on Nero, so we'll just talk about Nero real quick, and then I'll talk about Mog, and I'm cutting the video, boys. But as you guys can see, Nero coin sitting on also some key resistance, creating a nasty shoulder, head, shoulder. Indicator that maybe Nero coin needs to see and retest some lows, but it looks like on the 2 hour it already is, so maybe this will be enough. 1 hour also looking like we've rejected off this cat new channel quite a few times. Indicator that, again, this 12-hour chart might be holding true, and we might be headed down. Oh my gosh, I just got the hiccups now. It's just a mess. I'm a mess right now. All right, doing Mog coin, and then that's it, boys. You guys can see Mog coin is probably our biggest cat coin right now, right? Is it? Or is Mew? I don't know. I think Mog is. I think Mog is bigger. But as you guys can see, definitely probably on Ethereum blockchain, Mog is probably the biggest cat coin. And again, guys, we're seeing these cat coins pumping like crazy. So Mog's looking like it's going to break out right now. Actually, is Mog going to hit $1 billion, man? We caught this coin so early, man. I think we were talking about Mog in like 100 million or something. I don't know. People making some amazing gains off of Mog. Is it going to see a new all-time high, though? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. I mean, will it hit $1 billion? It's already up there. It already is at a new all-time high, actually. But will it hit $1 billion is the question. Man, wow. Is Mog about to take off? Is Mog about to grow legs and take off? Congratulations, guys. If you guys were holding Mog, a lot of you guys watch these types of videos, and, you go out and you do your research on these projects to see if it's something that you like. And then, you go out and buy that based off of your own educated decision. And some of you guys did that with Mog. And, congratulations, because in my opinion, you guys deserve it. You guys were sitting through all the chaos that was Bitcoin consolidation before we broke out, before all these rookies hit the market, before retail started hitting the market. You guys were already ahead of the curve. And that's why I tell you guys, that's why you got to be subscribed to J Talks Crypto, because again, guys, we just do it like nobody else, man. We've been doing it like nobody else for years. And I would say that I've only gotten better, to be honest with you guys. I would say I only got better. But again, guys, I'm not 100%. This is not financial advice. Take with it what you will. Go out and do your research. I try to show you guys trends and stuff like that, so that you guys can start paying attention to certain coins and go out and do your research. But again, guys, for the 4,000th time, I'm not telling you guys to go buy this. Look at this Hasbula coin. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Wow, this kind of makes me upset because I saw this so early, man. And I was thinking, like, with all these cat coins taking off, will Hasbula's cat take off? Well, I don't know. But look at it. 40 million market cap. Totally crazy, man. I don't know. This thing, again, is in price discovery mode. It's at an all-time high. I really don't like buying coins that are at an all-time high. I don't recommend it. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, so that means nothing. Yeah, but buying these all-time highs is dangerous. Price does come back down, as you guys can see. It did here, right? It shot up here and it went back down. This price went up and then came back down. This price went up and then it came back down. And so I would assume that, even though this price is going up, it's probably going to come back down, guys. So again, if this is a coin that you like and you do your research on it, I wouldn't buy the top of it. I don't think that that's a good idea. I don't like buying tops of projects again. So Do your own research, guys. I got a lot of busy work to do today. I'm going to, like I said, make you guys a part 2 though. So make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you guys hear about it, because I got to get on a set schedule. It's just too crazy, guys. Real estate's going crazy right now as well. And you guys know I do real estate also. So just really burning the candle at both ends all night long. So again, if you guys appreciate the content, we got to get the engagement up on these videos. If you want more videos, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment on the video. Let me know that you watched it and that you're supporting and that you guys are paying attention, because, you know, if we don't get good enough engagement, guys, the videos are not going to keep going. And that would be really dumb, because, again, a lot of you guys are just making money and keeping your mouth shut. And to me, guys, that's a little selfish. So let me know in the comments below how you guys are liking these videos. Do you like the longer videos? Do you like the shorter videos? Say you don't like my videos, whatever, do something, man. But, you know, get engaged in these videos if you guys want more. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.